Hello and welcome to Gadget Joe, and today we take a look at the Qi wireless car charger by Doca. Charging your phone wirelessly has always been considered a relatively luxury ability, with some chargers costing upwards of £100 or more. However, with most modern phones now supporting wireless charging, it's only fitting that wireless charging becomes more accessible. Today, we have a wireless car charger mount by a company known as Doca that is available now for just £29.99. Let's dive right into the review to find out what you get for your money. Opening the box, you are presented with all the accessories you need to set up your wireless charger and the charger itself. You get a micro USB cable, a USB car power adapter, an air vent clip, a window mount, and the wireless charging panel. So, before we get into whether it works, let's have a look how it works. The panel itself is where the magic happens. Inside the plastic shell there is a pad that works via Qi wireless technology, and when current is passed through this pad, it then generates energy, of which is transferred to any device that also features another Qi wireless pad within it. Once the two pads are close enough, they start to transfer energy between themselves. In this case, it charges the battery in the device and eliminates the need for any cables to be plugged into the device. The pad on this charger is hidden away in the plastic shell that doubles as a mount holding said device. Coated in a dense foam pad for protection of the phone from scratches, but also providing an anti-slip surface. To avoid any more movement, there are two arms that grip the phone at either side. These can be opened via this button here and simply squeezing together onto the phone. The base has a lip to sit the phone in place, and in turn this holds the phone in a perfect position for maximum Qi contact. Of course, this is a wireless charger for your car, so that extra grip and strong arm means that there is no chance of your device falling whilst going over a speed bump. On the back of the charger you have a plastic nut that unscrews to release the mount from the charger. You can then change from either the clip-on mount, which is perfect for fixing onto the fan grills in your car, by simply opening the grip here and then releasing to secure it in place, or alternatively the suction cup that allows you to fix the charger to the window by lifting this bar, sticking it in the desired location and then pressing the bar down to fix in place. Screw the nut back on tight to secure the charger into your desired position. Of course, wireless charging requires a power source to work. This is provided by the micro USB lead that clips into the bottom of the charger and then also plugs into the car adapter that can be powered via a cigarette lighter point in the car. Alternatively, you can plug the USB into a wall power brick and use it within the house if you so wish to. Once the device is connected, wired up and power is being supplied, you are set to go. To start charging is literally as simple as placing your Qi-enabled device onto the charger and then it will begin to charge. It's important to note that only Qi-enabled devices will charge wirelessly. As you can see here, I am using a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Naturally, the list are going to expand more as devices are produced. The Doca wireless charger is a fantastic product that works very well, features fast charging too right out of the box, easy to set up, strong and secure mounting for your phone, a sturdy build quality and a very achievable price tag of less than £30 make this one of the more attractive purchases you could make for your phone. And this is why we have awarded it a Gadget Joe Gold rating with 4 stars. Don't forget, if you want to get your hands on one of these chargers for yourself, I will, as always, leave a link or two in the description below to where you can get your own. Let me know what you thought about this Qi wireless charger down in the comments below. And click like while you're there too. Don't forget to click subscribe button for more content like this and to become part of the ever-growing Gadget Joe team and never miss a video. So that's pretty much it from me for now, so it's goodbye and I'll see you in the next video.